Hydration is crucial for your walking routine. Drink 16-20 ounces of water an hour before walking. During longer walks, carry a water bottle and sip every 15-20 minutes. After your walk, rehydrate with 8-16 ounces of water, adding sea salt or electrolytes to replenish lost minerals. Nutrition fuels your walk. Eat a light snack 30 minutes to an hour before walking, combining carbohydrates and protein for energy and endurance. Try a banana with peanut butter or whole grain toast with avocado. Post-walk, refuel with a snack rich in protein, carbs, and healthy fats for recovery. Try this post-walk smoothie for recovery. Blend 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a scoop of protein powder, and half a cup of spinach. Add ice for thickness. This smoothie balances protein, healthy fats, and carbs for optimal recovery. To maximize your walking routine, prioritize hydration and nutrition. Start with a light snack and hydrate before your walk. Sip water during, and finish with a recovery snack or smoothie. These steps will keep your body energized and ready for more. Enjoy your walks and stay healthy.